What is up? It's your boy and you're bringing to you guys a brand new freaking video, man. So look, listen, today we got a fun one. Today we got an exciting one. I'm gonna be showing you guys how to install LED headlights on your 2016 to 2022 Toyota Tacoma in less than 3 minutes. But first, go to the description of this video, click on the top link to pick up some of the LED headlights that I'm using in this video. You also get a 15% discount code when you use code Aing, so it's something to consider. Now that you've ordered the LED headlights that you're looking for, all we have to do is wait for them to arrive. They should arrive in a package something like this. Bada boom, bada bing. First impressions, packaging is super nice. You get the product manual, but you don't need it since you have this video. Nothing else in the box. Now it's time to install these LEDs. What's really cool is these come with a fan to cool off the LED lights, just meaning they're gonna perform better for longer. Go inside the truck, open up the hood, Now you're gonna want to locate what you're working with. Daytime running lights, high beams, headlights. If you're looking right onto the Tacoma, it's this one right here. It's so simple. Just grab it here, twist, pull. You see this little clip right here? Pushing on that little clip and then pull out. Now that you have it disconnected, it's a fairly simple process. There's no wrong way of doing it. Just push it back in until you hear it click. Then it goes in the same way it came out. Once it's flush, just turn it. Now you're all good to go. Just for comparison, this is stock and this is the competitor. It feels very high quality. I definitely recommend it. So now I'm going to show you guys some before and afters, how these perform at night. These are way better than stock. I've been looking for very good LED headlights and finally I've came across these, and as you can tell, in the daytime they are way better. So this is just side by side what they look like compared to each other. So this one's LED, this one is not. So as you can see, this has more of a yellow tone. This one over here has way more of a whiter tone. Now let's go on road and I'll show you what they look like on the road. So now we're looking at the on-road performance. On the LEDs, it looks like they're being like laser cut. Like you can see the cutoff line of the LEDs. You can see it's a lot brighter, it's a lot cleaner, a lot sharper. Alrighty, well I hope you guys did enjoy the video. Again, the lights will be linked in the description down below. You do get 15% off. Check them out. If you like them, buy them. But nonetheless, it's been your boy. I'm out like an Audi. I'll see you tomorrow. Single tomorrow. Peace. It's so easy, even Sandy can do it. Nice.
Okay.
You got it?
Yep.
You serious?
Yeah.
Very nice.
Thank you.